Hello friend, this is Pradna Dagre from Hipshan and today I am going to talk to you about method overloading in Java. So method overloading basically used in polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism like compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. We can achieve method overloading in compile time polymorphism. So let's understanding first what is the polymorphism. So polymorphism is a Greek word that means poly means many and morphism means forms. That means one object having same name but different behavior. So that means polymorphism. And there are two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. So let's understand what is compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is a polymorphism which exists at the time of compilation is known as compile time polymorphism, which is also known as early binding or static binding. So in a compile time polymorphism, compiler plays main role while we are compiling a program. Compiler knows which method get called first or which method have any error. So compile time exists at the time of compilation, and we can achieve this compile time polymorphism by using method overloading. So we have to understand what is method overloading. So method overloading is the concept that whenever we are declaring whenever a class contains same method name with different parameter, that means method overloading. Let's take some example one class is having same methods. For example, void class A, public class A, in bracket void add method without parameter. Second one is void add method with some integer parameter like int a. Second one is void add method with two parameter int a and int b. In this scenario, the class contains same method names like void add, but it has different methods. There are some rules while declaring method overloading in Java. So whenever we are overloading any methods, we have to contain same method names, different parameters, and same class. So there are some rules. There are some questions for the interview like can we overload main method? Yes, we can overload main method. Can we overload static methods? Yes, we can overload static methods, and we can also overload final methods. Thank you.